Evolution of HTML. Welcome to this tutorial on the evolution of HTML. In this video, we'll trace the journey of HTML from HTML4 through XHTML and finally to HTML5, which powers the modern web today. Introduction. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the backbone of the web. Every website you visit uses it. Over the years, HTML has evolved to match the needs of the internet, from simple text pages to multimedia-rich applications. Let's understand this evolution step by step. HTML4, 1997. HTML4, introduced in 1997, was a big leap forward. It allowed developers to use CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity, and introduced elements for forms, tables, and multimedia embedding. But there was a problem. HTML4 was too forgiving. Developers could write messy code, and browsers still displayed the page. This often led to inconsistent results. XHTML. 2000. To solve this, XHTML was introduced in 2000. It was based on XML, which meant it followed stricter rules. Developers had to close every tag, write all code in lowercase, and use quotation marks for attributes. This improved consistency, but it was too strict. A single mistake, like forgetting a slash, could break the entire page. HTML5, 2014 now. Finally, HTML5 came in 2014 and struck the right balance. It introduced semantic elements like header, footer, article, and section. It supported audio and video without plugins, added powerful APIs like geolocation and local storage, and supported responsive design for mobile devices. HTML5 combined flexibility with discipline, making it the standard we use today. Comparison. Here's a quick comparison. HTML4 was loose and inconsistent. XHTML was strict but fragile. HTML5 is balanced, modern, and supports multimedia and mobile. This is why HTML5 is the winner. Conclusion. To conclude, the evolution of HTML shows how technology adapts to user needs. HTML4 gave us flexibility, XHTML demanded discipline, and HTML5 brought the best of both worlds. As a developer, always learn and practice HTML5. It is the foundation of modern web development.